Papa.
The chopper was found at some 2.44 kilometers away from where we are walking here in the western side of the lake. It was actually around 5.4 meters deep where it was found. So right now we have buoys or the lifters that we are going to use to lift it up, and probably it might take us a bit of time, and we think probably by tomorrow we may have finished the whole exercise, but depending whether we'll also find some human remains. Since we found the first two bodies, and they were found in various sides of the lake, some to the north and some to the east, we are thinking the ones that were not found may likely be found with the wreckage, because they would have been trapped in the safety belts. So this is our hope.